A pleasant day to you, ma'am. So, I am here to present to you the given learning task, which is to write a flex program that recognizes and tokenizes email addresses. So, before doing that, we need to download the prerequisites in order for us to run the program successfully. First, we need to have a flex compiler and a development environment like GCC or Clang downloaded in our computer. So let's check if GCC is already installed in our computer by going to the command prompt and typing in GCC. So if you've seen this message, GCC fatal error, no input files, compilation terminated, it means that you have already successfully installed GCC in your computer. So next, we need to have a text editor like Visual Studio Code or any other text editor for us to type in our code. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new text file and save it with .l extension. In my case, here is the .l file that I created. It is named as email.l. So the first thing I typed in is I declare the header files that will be used to declare functions in the code, in the program. This includes stdio.h and string.h. Next is this code option no wire wrap, which is used to disable the wire wrap function. We need to disable it because it is called by the lexer when it reaches the end of the input file. So by disabling it, the lexer will continue to read from the input file until it finds a new line character. Moving on, in these blocks of code, it defines the regular expressions or regexes for the parts of email, which include the username, domain, and extension. For the username, it can be any combination of letters, numbers, hyphens, underscores, and periods. For the domain, it can be any combination of letters, numbers, or period. And for the extension, it can be combination of 2 or more lowercase letters. So here's how it looks. So moving on, these lines of code is the main function that runs the lexer. So this line is the main function of the program, which is the yylex function that is called to run the lexer. The return 0 statement indicates that the program has terminated successfully. So in order for us to know if this code is correct and running, let us run this code in the terminal. So let's open cmd terminal and type in where it is located. We need to change directory. In my case, it is located in my downloads, so I will type in cd downloads. So now that I'm in the downloads directory, I will command flex, then my file name email.l. So type in enter. So there's no error. So moving on, let's type this command, which is the gcc lex.y-email. So as you can see, when we go to the downloads folder, it created this file, which is a C file, when we typed in this command. So lastly, let's run the application or the exe file in the terminal. So let's type in email.exe. So we can now type in our test cases in the example given, like this, johndoe@example.com. So the expected output should be not accepted email. So let's try if the syntax, the code is correct. So type in this email and it says not accepted email. Let's try another test case. For example, this one. So the expected output should be like this. So let's try if the code is correct. So yeah, username John Doe, domain example.com, and the extension is UK. So here is the valid email for the email address given. So let's try another one. Let's try this. Type in. So here's the result. john.123@doexample.com.uk. Username is john.123.do, is the domain is the example.com, and the extension is UK. So last, let's try if this will be correct. Let's paste the email address. So it says not accepted email. Same with the example given and the expected output, which is this one. Lastly, let's try this. So let's paste it. So it says the valid email john_kuwa.123.do@example.com.uk, and the username is john_kuwa.123.do, the domain name example.com, and the extension, which is UK. So that's it. I hope you understand this program, and have a good day po.